Hello students, in this video we will discuss multiple choice question of classification of elements and periodicity for class 11. So let us begin. First question is the correct order of isoelectronic species Na plus, Mg2 plus, F minus and O2 minus. Isoelectronic species, those species which have same number of electrons. If we see Na plus, Mg2 plus, F minus and O2 minus, all these have same number of electrons. It means all they are isoelectronics. If we think the size of isoelectronic species, then the charge on ions is inversely proportional to their size. That means greater the charge, smaller the size. Therefore, the magnesium ion has highest charge while oxygen ions have lowest charge values, that is 2 minus. Therefore, the correct order is Mg2 plus is less than Na plus, then F minus, and the largest size of ions is O2 minus, because it has least value of charge, so there will be greater the size. So correct option is B. Second question is general electronic configuration of D block element is. Options are N-1 D 1 to 10, NS 1 to 2, N-2 F 1 to 14, N-1 D 0 to 1, NS 1 to 2, NS2 NP6 and D 1 to 10, and none of the above. General electronic configuration of D block element is N-1 D 1 to 10, NS 1 to 2. So correct option is A, N-1 D 1 to 10, NS 1 to 2. If we see the option B, N-2 F 1 to 14, N-1 0 to 1, NS 1 to 2, this is the general electronic configuration of F block element. And N-1 D 1 to 10, NS 1 to 2, this is the general electronic configuration of D block element. So correct option for general electronic configuration of D block element is A. Third question is, amongst the following group 13 elements, which element has the smallest atomic radius? Amongst the group 13 elements, which element has the smallest atomic radius? As we know, down the group atomic size increases because of the number of cell increases. On the other hand, nuclear charge with respect of increase in number of cell not capable to reduce the atomic size. But in case of group 13 elements, if we think about the gallium, there is 3d orbitals introduced which cause poor shielding effect, due to which the Z effective charge become greater than that of aluminium. Here it is mentioned down the group atomic radius increases. Down the group atomic radius increases, but due to poor screening effect in gallium, inner 3d subshell has poor shielding effect. Inner 3d subshell has poor shielding effect, due to which effective nuclear charge increase and radius decreases from aluminium. So gallium has the least atomic size than rest of the elements. So correct option is D, gallium. Fourth question, correct order of ionization energy of carbon, nitrogen and oxygen is. Ionization energy of nitrogen is highest amongst carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. This is because nitrogen has symmetrical electronic configuration. If we observe the second period of elements in periodic table, beryllium and nitrogen has symmetrical electronic configuration. Beryllium, that is 1s2 2s2, that is 2s2 complete filled, and it has symmetrical electronic configuration. And in case of nitrogen, it has 2s2 2p3 2p3, that means it is symmetrical electronic configuration, and therefore the expect ionization energy of oxygen should be greater than nitrogen, but due to symmetrical electronic configuration of nitrogen, it has high ionization energy than oxygen. So the correct order is C, carbon, oxygen and nitrogen. C is the correct option. Fifth question is, the correct order of ionization energy of group 13 elements are. The correct order of ionization energy of group 13 elements are boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. So options are here given. If we see the electronic configuration of gallium and thallium, here in case of gallium, due to inner 3D subshell, poor shielding effect occur that causes to increase the Z effective charge, and due to which ionization energy of gallium become more than that of aluminium. On the other hand, if we see the electronic configuration of thallium, it has inner 4-half subshell and 5D, due to which it also become very less value of shielding effect, that is poor shielding effect, and that's why Z effective values for thallium also become very high, so that the ionization energy of thallium is more than that of gallium, aluminium and indium. So the correct answer will be C, boron, thallium, gallium, aluminium and indium. C is the correct option of the. Sixth question is, which of the following subshell has high penetration power? High value of penetration power means tendency to attract electrons by a subshell towards itself. The subshell which can attract the electrons depends upon that the subshell is how so close towards the nucleus. Since S subshell is very close to the nucleus of given cell, therefore S subshell has high penetration power, and therefore the correct answer is A, S subshell. Penetration power, that is SPDF. This is the order of penetration power. So A is the correct option. Seventh question, which of the following has highest negative electron gain enthalpy? Highest negative electron gain enthalpy amongst halogen group elements? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Down the group, negative electron gain enthalpy decreases due to increase of size. Therefore, fluorine should have high negative electron gain enthalpy, but in case of fluorine, due to very small size and high charge density, there is high repulsion force of electrons and electrons occur in compare of chlorine. So negative electron gain enthalpy of chlorine become more than that of fluorine. So correct option is B, chlorine. The smallest negative electron gain enthalpy of group 16 elements, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium, is down the group. Negative electron gain enthalpy decreases due to increase in atomic size. Therefore, oxygen should have very high negative electron gain enthalpy, but due to very small size of oxygen and high charge density around it, it has very less negative electron gain enthalpy, and amongst the group oxygen become less value of negative electron gain enthalpy. That is very important questions regarding the negative electron gain enthalpy in group 16. In which group and period element with atomic number 120 will exist? Options are here: group 2 period 7, group 1 period 7, group 2 period 8 and group 1 period 8. First of all, we have to write the electronic configuration of 120. Electronic configuration of 120 is, this is UO 118, that is an octanium, that is belongs to 18th group after radon, and later on 8s2. 8s2 is the general configuration, 8s2. So 120 belongs to S block element and 2 electrons in S subshell refer to alkali earth metal. So its group is group 2 and number of shell, outermost shell is 8, that is it belongs to period 8. So 120 belongs to group 2 and 8 period. C is the correct option. 10th question is, which of the following statement is not correct for F block elements? General electronic configuration of F block element is N-2 F 1 to 14, N-1 D 0 to 1 NS2. This is correct. This is the general electronic configuration of F block. All F block elements belongs to third group and 6th and 7th period. Yes, this is also correct. Third group 6th period is lanthanoid and third group 7th period is actinoids. C is lanthanoid series 58 to 71 and actinoid series is 90 to 103. This is also correct, and 2 F block series kept top of the periodic table. Here that is top of the periodic table. That is not correct because F block elements are kept at the bottom of periodic table. That is, this statement is not true. Top of the periodic table. Most of the elements of actinoid series are radioactive in nature. This statement is true. So incorrect statement is C. C is the correct. Here transition element, D block element, inner transition element, F block, representative elements S and P block, Pnictogen group 15, chalcogen group 16, halogen group 18. Here question is, which of the above matching is incorrect? Which of the above matching is incorrect? A, chalcogen group 16. Oxygen group, that is group 16, is called chalcogen. This is correct. Pnictogen group 15. Nitrogen group elements, that is group 15, is called pnictogen. that is also correct. Halogen group 18. This is not correct because noble gas element is called group 18 and halogen group belongs to group 17. C is incorrect and D is here transition element, D block element. This is correct. So incorrect matching is halogen group 18. C is the correct option. The most electronegative element in periodic table is chlorine, oxygen, fluorine and nitrogen. Electronegative element in periodic table, that is fluorine. Fluorine is the most electronegative element. Due to very small size, its electronegativity is very high. 13th question is, which of the following property does not depend upon atomic size? Ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, negative electron gain enthalpy and valency. Ionization enthalpy, that is inversely proportional to the size. Electronegativity, smaller the size, greater the electronegativity, this is also inversely proportional to size. Negative electron gain enthalpy, that is also inversely proportional to atomic size. Therefore all three are the options A, B, C, that is related to the atomic size. If you observe option D, valency, it is property of element, combining capacity of an element, and that is directly related to the electronic configuration of an element, and it does not depend upon the atomic size. So correct answer of the question is D, valency. The highest electronegativity amongst carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine is. Electronegativity means tendency to attract shared pair electrons by bounded atoms in a molecules or compound. Electronegativity of an element depend upon the size. Smaller the size, greater the electronegativity. Along the period, atomic size decreases left to right, so electronegativity increases, and down the group, electronegativity decreases. Fluorine has smallest size and therefore it is having the highest value of electronegativity in periodic table. Fluorine has highest electronegativity values amongst all elements. The option is D, fluorine. Question number 15th is, which of the following is considered as largest radii? Covalent radii, atomic radii, van der Waals radii or metallic radii? Amongst all the different type of radii, van der Waals radius is the largest radii. It is considered as largest radii. Van der Waals radius is greater than covalent radius and metallic radius. So correct option is C, van der Waals radii. Which element has largest radius? Phosphorus, chlorine, sulfur or argon? All these elements are belongs to third period. We know along the period left to right size is decreases. So if we think about the organ, it should be smallest size. But if we categorize the type of radius, then phosphorus, chlorine and sulfur is having covalent radii, and argon that is of group 18 element is having van der Waals radius, and van der Waals radius is always greater than covalent radius. So argon has largest radii amongst all. So D is the correct answer. Here rest element has covalent radius and radius of argon is measured as van der Waals radius. So D is the correct option. Which of the following element is S block element? A. Z is equal to 119, 118, 102 and 70. If we see the S block element, their general configuration is NS1 and NS2. For alkali metal, that is group 1, if we see the atomic number here with help of magic number 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 3, 11, 19, 37, 55, 87 and 119, that is belongs to group 1. And group 2 here beryllium 4, 12, 20, 38, 88 and 122, these are group 2, that is alkali earth metal, and both are S block element. These are the atomic numbers of S block elements. 119, that is S block element. So correct option is A, Z is equal to 119. We can also find it with help of their electronic configuration and with help of magic number. Which of the following statement is not correct? 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32 are called magic number. Yes, these are the numbers. Series of numbers are called magic number. This magic number are the gaps of atomic number in the group, and these magic number also tell us about the number of element in each period. Magic number refer to gaps of atomic number present in same group. Yes, this is correct. Magic number also are the number of elements in each period. Yeah, this is also correct. Magic number explain the physical and chemical properties of group and period. This statement is not correct. So incorrect statement is D. It does not explain physical and chemical properties. Which statement is not true for valency? Along the period, valency increase from 1 to 4 and then decrease to 0. Yes, this is correct answer. Except D block. D block have variable valency. If we see the S block and P block element, first valency is increased from 1 to 4, that is from group 1 having valency 1 to group 14 4, and later on it decrease from 4 to 0. Inert gas element group 18 have 0 valency. Valency of all element in a group remains same. In group all elements have same number of electron in outermost shell and they are having same valency. Yes, this is correct. And C, elements belong to D and F block elements, so variable valency. These elements does not have stable electronic configuration and therefore they have so variable valency. This is also correct. And valency of alkali metal is 2. This is false. Group 1 belongs to alkali metal. Alkali metal belongs to group 1 and it has valency 1. So D is incorrect statement. Which sequence of atomic number is belongs to noble group element? A 18, 36, 54, 86, 118, 17, 35, 50, 53, 85, 115, so on. If we see the noble group elements, that is of group 18. It is helium 2, neon 10, argon 18, krypton 36, xenon 54 and radon 86. So series of atomic number of noble gas element are 10, 18, 18, 36, 54, 86. Therefore, A is the correct option. A is the correct option. 18, 36, 54, 86 and 118. These are the noble gas element. An element of atomic number 26 is placed in periodic table. Element of atomic number 26. Placed in periodic table. Group 8th, period 4, group 9th, period 3, group 7th, period 5 and group 2nd, period 4. If we observe the electronic configuration of 26, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6, 4s2, 3d6, 4s2. Last electron enter in D subcell, therefore it is D block element, and for D block the group number would be number of electrons in D subcell, inner D subcell, that is 6, plus number of electron in outermost S subcell, that is 2. So 6 plus 2, that is 8. So group is 8th, and period, that is our valence cell, outermost valence cell is 4, so 4th period. So it belongs to 8th group and 4th period. A is the correct option. A is the correct option.